Welcome to Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? Close your eyes and you can hear it. The countdown swell, the burst of color, a castle rimmed in starlight as the year 2000 arrives with a cheer. These two glasses carry that echo. Turn them slowly, and the magic kingdom rises in splendor, ringed by fireworks and confetti. Mickey's pose, bold, celebratory, and anchors the scene with pure park day joy. You don't need to pour a drink to enjoy them. The story is already full. But if you do, the images glow through and a small ceremony begins. Movie cued, laughter building, a quiet remember when at the first clink. Timeless, playful, unmistakably Disney. Discovered by Treasures of Bako. Have we got a gem for you? Be sure to follow us for more hidden gems and visit our website at treasuresofbako.com.